I have been told for years by many people they're doing away with their carpet. They want to go to tile because they know it'll be so much easier to maintain. Tile is easy to maintain if you maintain it properly. If you use a string mop, a foam mop, use Mr. Clean, any kind of a surfactant, a soap, a detergent, you're going to be leaving detergent from one place to the other in your grout. And after 1, 2, 3 years, people start to look at their grout and say, I wish I'd made dark grout because my grout's all turning black. Well, the reason for it is grout is very porous. It will catch the dirt and hold it so that it makes it get dirty faster. Remember, if you're going to do tile, any kind of tile that has a grout, you need to seal the grout first. Most tile, unless it's real stone, doesn't need to be sealed. If it's ceramic or porcelain, it doesn't need any sealer on it, but the grout does. Most grout sealers will tell you to seal them 2 times. I've had a tile man that I've known for years said that works real good most of the time, but 3 times is the best because it'll always be sealed. Then use some kind of a cleaner like Bona. Bona has no surfactant, no chemical that will take the sealer out of it. So you can get 8 or 10 years on the sealer that's in it that you put in without your tile getting dark. Maintaining a tile is very easy if you do it properly. It's really bad if you don't.